Good morning. As teachers, it is our responsibility to create a learner-centered environment in our classroom. The fundamental purpose of this presentation is to discuss a tool that will help us achieve this goal. Russell and Solge have stated that when we use technological tools, it will shift responsibility more towards the learner. So we will be discussing this particular tool according to this outline provided here. First of all, I will give an introduction to the language and also to the specific tool. Then my fellow team members will provide an analysis of the key features followed by a demonstration. Then we will also discuss the strengths and weaknesses of this particular tool. Finally, the points discussed will be summarized by Sinali. So to begin with, I will introduce English language as a lingua franca. As you can see from the number of people who have defined English as such, it is convincing that it is the most commonly used language around the world. Lingua franca means it is a bridging language. English language has given the biggest contribution towards globalization. Therefore, there is a greater demand towards learning this particular language. As prospective teachers of this particular language, it is our duty to find the best tools for our learners, both online and offline. Even though we are aspiring to be teachers, at the moment, we are also following a particular curriculum. As students, one of the biggest challenges that we face today is arising when it comes to proofreading our academic writing. It is practically difficult for us to proofread our own writing. For this reason, it would be ideal to have a second party analyze our writing. We will show you with this allocated time how this particular tool that we have selected will help you proofread your writing. ProWriting Aid is an online learning tool which will help learners proofread their writing. This website comes along with an application to elevate convenience. The website is not that complicated and any learner can get familiar with it very easily. As any tool would, this tool also has a premium version to it which will be accessible after a certain amount of payment. However, compared to most of the other tools, this tool is cheaper. For an example, the annual payment for this particular tool is equal to 2 monthly payments of most of the well-known tools. The website brings with it a number of learner-friendly key features, such as the ability to customize the settings according to our preferences, efficient and quick analysis of the writing, improves the style of writing, suggests appropriate vocabulary, elimination of errors, a lengthy summary report of the writing, and last but not least, the ability for the learner to learn while editing. In addition to all this website also provides occasional webinars, ebooks, and also some beneficial tips relating to writing. The next member will provide an analysis of the key features which are shown here. Over to you, Rithmi.
Thank you, Sachini. So let's move on to the key features in details. So as you can see, the first feature is customization. So when it comes to the customization, the ProWriting Aid allows organizations and individuals to create their own style guides and dictionaries. The second feature is efficient and quick. So when it comes to the efficient and quick, the ProWriting Aid gives a better writing with a less period of time. And it's a quick and efficient with a lot of developments such as grammar, spelling, and readability. So, the next feature is style and strength. So, when it comes to this feature, we should talk about the writing style report and And the writing style report is very popular and very comprehensive report, and it emphasizes various areas of writing that could be corrected to develop the readabilities. So it emphasizes passive and hidden verbs or reliance on adverbs and so on. So if I move down to the next feature, it's vocabulary. So when it comes to vocabulary, we have to focus on overused word report, word explorer, and contextual thesaurus. So when it comes to these three, the overused word report highlighted repeated vocabulary. So as an example, intensifier words like very. So those kind of words give a less effective to the writing. So the second example is hesitant words like maybe. So those kind of words give the real message that we want to convey. And from the word explorer is a popular feature, and the word explorer explore word in depth. So the next is contextual thesaurus. So when it comes to this the pro-writing aid offers a range of synonyms. So let's move down to the next feature, eliminate errors. So when it comes to the eliminate errors, we should emphasize the misspelled words and missing punctuation and sentence construction. So the next feature is summary report of the writing. So the user can find a proper goal for a particular document, and after setting the document, the user can identify whether the document is good or to be developed. So goals help do that. The goals, if I mention the goals, the overused word report, the grammar report, and alteration report. So if I move down to the final feature is learn as you edit. So the pro-writing aid online tool gives a lot of improvements with a lot of suggestions, and the user can get better output from that. So that's all for the features. So for next slide, we will be doing the demonstration. So now the presentation is over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Redmi. Good afternoon, ma'am. Please give us a second. I'm Nadishani. I will now demonstrate the video. So we can start off at the web editor option, which will take us to the saved documents. We have saved two sample write-ups, one creative and one academic. Through the creative writing sample, we will like to show you a few features we tried out. The first feature we actually worked out on was the customization process. So the customization took place using genre. So in this case, we chose the creative writing genre because the writing piece was meant to be a creative writing essay. And you can even subcategorize your genres. And as that happens, the goals and the improvements of the particular writing piece adjusts. So now the learner knows the goals that are achieved as well as the improvements needed. And as we move along to another feature, which is the error correction feature. This personally was one of my favorites because it was color coded and the vocabulary errors were highlighted and a brief definition with a few sample words and even things like repetition, which was quite new to me to know that was not allowed in creative writing. And then the grammar correction, which gives a brief definition again and gives you a suggestion for improvement. Now, through the academic writing sample, we like to show a few more areas of features pro-writing aid has. Now, this is going to generate the summary report. This was something as a team we valued a lot. And as a learner, proofreading like Sachini mentioned, is a huge area that you need constant feedback from. So the summary report is a learner's way to self-assess yourself. And the detailed report focuses on all areas of writing when it comes to writing style, sentence strengths, readability, sentence structure, the consistency of your writing, and all areas of grammar. And when you click on a grammar summary report, the words and the definitions of the grammar is given. So even for young learners, this tool will be ideal because when you know a certain area of grammar is not suited for your writing, you can read what the app says about that particular grammar area. For example, adverbs. So you can now go back to your writing and help yourself to correct it and make your assignment better. So as modern learners and learners of all kind, I found this to be extremely useful. And when I was doing the research, we found Go Chong Lim, who had written an article to Taiwan University of Science and Technology, and I quote him, "Language learning has become ubiquitous. That is, EFL learners can practice their English skills without time and space constraints. They have more opportunity to learn and practice the target language through collaborative learning with their peers or by creating their own projects." The quote was important to me because as a group we found out that this learning tool in the modern day learning context was useful. From a learner's point of view, we can understand that having a self-assessment tool using artificial intelligence will benefit us even in an absence of a teacher. So now I will have Raini coming over to speak about the advantages and disadvantages of the app. Thank you.
Thank you, Nadi. So there are so many web tools and websites and apps that could use to be as a grammar checker and a spelling checker, and why we should use ProWriting Aid as grammar checker. What are the advantages of using this app, and more specifically, what are the advantages of using ProWriting Aid for the process of learning and teaching process of English language? So first of all, let's move on to the first point. The tool can be used in the browser, which means the learners or any kind of a user who is willing to use this app doesn't have to download the app into their devices, which save their device storage, and also this means they could access the app with any device with an internet connection. Also, most features are usable in free version. As you may have seen in my colleague's demonstration, the most of the features including genre-specific writing and 24 report in their summary report, they are giving us a 25 reports regarding grammar, readability check, spelling check, and likewise. And also, occasionally they are having these videos and quizzes to develop the writing style of the learner. So this is going to be a self-learning journey for the learner who is using this app. And also the simple and user-friendly interface. You may have seen that the interface of this app is quite user-friendly, as you can understand by the images they have used for specific features. So this means even for the younger learners, this app is suitable. And also the tool assists learners to improve their vocabulary, accuracy, formality, and creativity, which means, as you may have seen in the demonstration, the user could select their writing style, the genre-specific writing feature. So if they are going to write a formal academic writing report or a business report, they could click it out and then write the report as a formal report, and they learn the vocabulary that is used in a formal way of writing. And if they are writing creativity, maybe a story or some kind of a creative writing part, then they know what are the weaknesses of their creative writing. Is their sentences too lengthy, or their vocabulary is too formal? And also this check the accuracy of learner's language. So this means it gives you a knowledge about how accurate your grammar patterns are and how usable they are for your grammar, your writing style. And also the tool assists in promoting learner autonomy. The learner could learn without the constraint of time and the place. So this app has this special feature to access the online web editor, which simply means this app could access your social media platforms also. That's mean while you are typing a tweet, while you are writing a post in the Facebook, you could access this app, and it will give a learner sense of how much their language need to be improved. This is so suitable for the young learners and the teenagers as well. And also, let's move on to the disadvantages. So even though ProWriting 8 providing abundance of features to improve the learner's language, still ProWriting 8 is a AI interface. So it has its own cons, which means when it's come to the contextualized meaning of the vocabulary, when it's come to the pragmatical knowledge of the learner, they have to use their own insight before they use the suggestions of the app or the web tool. So that also could be a pros for the advanced learners. And also, let's move on to the next point. The program doesn't auto-save, and the app and the website could get crashed. So the user has to remember to save their work while using the app. And also the features could be a bit confusing for the new users. That is with any app. If you're not useful to this, if you're not used to the app, then you're getting a bit confused by all these features. But this could get the users could get rid of this soon as they getting used to the app. So these are the advantages and disadvantages, and we have researched some reviews given by the users, and if you read out these reviews, you could see the points that I have just elaborated are getting confirmed through these reviews. And overall, when we read all the reviews, it says that there are so many pros than the cons. So Sinali will wrap up our session. Over to you, Sinali. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Raini. This concludes our presentation, so allow me to summarize what we have been talking about for the past few minutes. For us humans as a species, speech is something that dates back millions of years. However, writing is something that was introduced at around 3000 BC and has since then evolved into different systems around the world. English is one such system. As Sajini mentioned, since English is widely accepted around the world, it's essential to be able to effectively command this language in a variety of situations. As such, writing is a vital skill to have in one's language arsenal. Today, we explored a tool that would help a learner who's studying English as a second language to improve and enhance their writing skills. This tool is known as ProWriting 8, an online assistant and editor that is infused with artificial intelligence and is capable of analyzing individual writing styles and providing recommendations based on that. First, we looked at several key features of this application, such as customization of styles, selecting appropriate vocabulary, and the error correction facility. All of these features and the others combined would help a learner to practice and improve their writing skills, which is important because writing is not a skill that is easily acquired and hence will need a lot of practice in a space that can also provide constant support. We believe ProWriting 8 is one of those tools that can provide this support for learners. Secondly, we further demonstrated other features of the app using a creative writing and an academic sample, which showed us the ability to select the genre as well as the summary report feature, which outlines a detailed analysis of the work submitted by the learner. We showed how this highlights learner autonomy as the exploration and discovery of their own errors and requirements will allow the learner to have better control and responsibility over their learning, which will eventually lead to understanding and acquisition of the language. Finally, we looked at strengths and weaknesses of the app. As Riley mentioned, what makes ProWriting Aid special compared to the other similar tools available on the internet is that it offers a lot of the free features that are only available in the paid versions of similar tools. However, one weakness of this application is that some of the recommendations provided it may not be contextually appropriate. Nevertheless, we believe this can also be a learning curve for learners as they can improve their pragmatic knowledge while practicing on their writing skills as provided by the reviews that we displayed earlier. In conclusion, we believe that ProWriting Aid is an independent and beneficial tool for learners to have, and keeping in mind the advantages and disadvantages offered by this application. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation, and now we invite any questions the audience may have for us.
What are the error correction methods followed in our tool?
The error correction methods, as previously shown by our demonstration, the errors are color coded according to meaning, form, or any other different requirements. And when you go to those color coded statements on the side, you can see an explanation for what the error is, how it can be corrected, or even whether you want to ignore the error and proceed if it's not suitable for your writing piece.
And also, like on the pronunciation side, how would it be, how the app or the tool will helpful for the learners on correcting and developing their pronunciation?
I believe the app also possesses a read aloud feature which reads out the paragraphs for the learners, in which case they can listen to their own paragraph and then see how the pronunciation or how the words are pronounced in their writing.
Does it give, does it provide their own sound, or else like all the phonetic, they have given the phonetic category?
They provide
Phonetic sound, or else the pronunciation which is being given in the app. I'm asking if they are giving the pronunciation, or else they are giving the word by the phonetics.
They provide the pronunciation, but I do not believe the phonetic script is available.
They give the pronunciation also.
Yes.
If you click on the word, the pronunciation is given.
Yes, I believe you could read aloud if you want.
Right.
Thank you very much.